Yes, students. Second example from practice set 3. Again, we have to construct one angle of measure 115 degree, and here by using compass and ruler again, we have to bisect this angle. So let's begin. You have to use a ruler and draw the initial arm, then use a protractor. Keep the center of the protractor here and take an angle measuring 115 degree. Now, from the measure of the angle, you clearly observe that since the measure of this angle is greater than 90 degree, the given angle is an obtuse angle. This is our required angle. Now, you have to draw the bisector of this angle. Therefore, first we have to write down the name of this angle as X, Y and Z. Again, you know the step. Take sufficient distance between two arms of the compass. Keep the steel point of the compass on the vertex of the angle, that is on point Y. You have to draw an arc which intersects the two arms of the given angle at two distinct points. Name these points as point P and point Q. Again, take sufficient distance between the two arms of the compass and first keep the steel point on point P. Draw an arc in the interior of the angle without changing the distance. Keep the steel point on point Q and intersect the previous arc. Here we get the point of intersection. Now you have to mark this point of intersection with the point and write down the name of this point as R. Now with the help of a ruler, you have to again draw one ray that starts from the vertex of the angle and passes through the point of intersection. And this ray is called as the bisector of the given angle. The given angle is of the measure 115 degree. Therefore, the two angles which we get after drawing the angle bisector must be of the measure 57.5 degree. Let's see that. Yes, this is 55, 56 and 57. The angle bisector lies between 57 and 58. Therefore, its measure is 57.5. Here we complete our construction. Now, if you want to show these measures, you can write down, you have to mark these angles here by drawing such markings. And here you have to write down 57.5 degree and here also 57.5 degree. Again, same method we have to follow. Here write down, since ray YR is the bisector of angle XYZ. Therefore, we can write measure of angle XYR is equal to measure of angle ZYR is equal to 57.5 degree. This completes our second construction in practice set 3. We are going to do remaining two constructions in the next period. Up to that, you have to complete these 3 constructions in your copy. You don't have to write the steps which are given in your book. You have to show construction only. Use pencil for doing the construction. Don't use sketch pen. See you in the next period. Thank you.